Okay, nothing technical this morning. We're using the front camera on the S9 and a bathroom that you guys will get to investigate soon. So I just have to tell you about this because this is really good. This is Golden Grind Turmeric Face Scrub. Right? Stuff is actually made in Australia and it's really, really good. Really good. It makes you feel so much better. So I have been doing what you guys will catch up on eventually. I haven't had much sleep either, so I probably look like crap. But anyway, I figured that we have to do this because I put it off and this morning is the morning. So this stuff is orange. Check it out. That is so pretty. So pretty. And it works. I figured that I'd give it a go and show you guys on a day that I have had no sleep and I feel really, really knackered, but it made me feel so much better last time I used it. So it was, how much was this? I think it was only about $12 from Love Thyself online. I will try and put the link in the description. I'm still learning these things and it's all new to me, so I hope I get there for you guys, for you to try this. It smells so beautiful and I hope you can see that. It is just, you feel like you could eat it. So I'm going to wet my face, which I'm sure you can see is pretty grubby. And see if we can fix it. Alright. Here goes. Wish me luck. Oh, that's hot, Rosie. Okay. I need that to be a little bit warm. Okay, make that a little bit warm. Yep, take it, make it a little bit warm. Okay, now, nothing technical. I'm not going to edit. I'm just not going to edit. I need a nap, I think, so I just want you to see this, and I figure we'll just do it. Alright? So, yeah, just make a little bit in your hand, which I just messed it up, didn't I? Okay, we'll try that again. Now we'll stop you. Okay, so a little bit, like so. You really don't need very much in your hand. And really give it a good rub in. Try and avoid your eyes. Get it up in your forehead, that T-zone. Up there. You feel it making you feel better straight away. Oh my God. It is so good. It is so good. Yeah. See, I'm a bit of a dag. Just a little bit of a dag. And I forget to do these things. I just kind of hurry up and wash my face and get out. And I do forget to do these things. And so when I do remember, I really feel the difference. Oh, really feel the difference. It's so good. So good. Alright, water. Hello.
I keep turning it too hard.
Too loud. That's all good. That's all good. Your hands stay a little bit yellow. Lucky the phone's waterproof. Okay. Now, you take that. I think you can probably. Oh no, don't turn it off. Hang on. Come here. Alright, you've got it all underneath here. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm all wet. You go grab me a towel. Okay. You got it. Oh, I don't have my tunneling either. Oh well. I'll put that back in the second. Alright.
I like Elliot, over you.
Take that one.
What do you mean?
Because that's how we're going down if it was any of us that used this stuff.
Okay. Oh, now it's going to be on worldwide net that I used your brother's towel.
Oops.
Oh, that's alright, I got sprung the other day too. Okay. Now,
In the video, if Ross used his towel, I would just say, Mum used his towel.
well, no. That's not true. Get me in trouble. Now. Okay. They're looking so much cleaner and oh my god. The skin can breathe, you can feel it. It's like, it's magical. It's magical. Love Thyself is an online shop that I stumbled across. And they have got the most beautiful things, Australian made mostly, and all natural products. And I will be sharing them with you later on, bit by bit. I will be sharing with you what I found and bought and thoroughly enjoy. So keep posted and press the, I don't want to badger you to press the like button and the subscribe button, but hey, if you want to know, you have to press the like button and the subscribe button to see what else I got. Alright, I'll see you next time.